So today I was rewinding my piston in my rear brakes. I received this tool and unfortunately they sent something wrong and it didn't fit my car model. So I had to go to backup plan using normal pliers. You can actually see I bend them as well. And then I was doing it for 20 minutes and I was pushing and turning and there was not much movement, and I realized that that could be a lengthy process and painful because my hands started to hurt. And then I invented something. A block of 2x4. I set these pliers into this block, and now this block allows me to push and turn much harder than if I would be just pushing on these little handles. So it's much more comfortable to turn and you can push much harder. It took about 1 minute to do the same thing that I could not complete in 20 minutes. Seriously. Of course, it's great if you have this tool that you can use, but today I had it, but I didn't. And this little hack right here helped me to complete my job rather quick. Ciao.